Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you enjoy watching our videos. First, take your fabric and use a heat pen to draw the pattern, just like you see in the picture. Sew all four sides of the fabric using a zigzag stitch. Sew piece number 1 to piece number 2 as shown in the picture. Sew this side the same way as before. Please like this video to support the channel. Continue sewing in the same order until you reach the end of the fabric. You can now see the main shape of the cushion. Cut a lining that measures 42 by 42 centimeters. Sew all four sides of the main fabric to the lining. Trim off the extra parts of the pattern. For a cleaner, professional finish, zigzag all four sides of the fabric. Prepare 2 fabric pieces for the back of the cushion using the measurements shown in the picture. Sew carefully along the places where I insert the pins, keeping a neat, even stitch. Place the 2 fabric pieces on top of each other so they form a 42 by 42 centimeter square. Sew these 2 sections together. We're approaching the exciting part of the project. Sew the front and back pieces of the cushion together. Sew all 4 sides of the cushion. Trim the sharp corners of the cushion to make it easier to turn it inside out. The cushion is ready. Use this cushion design to make your home more beautiful and cozy.